Affiliate marketing has an obvious attraction for people trying to improve their income online because it is a simple and affordable way to make money without the headache of actually selling a product. But how does an affiliate get paid once they've connected a vendor and a customer? A commission can be earned by the affiliate even if the customer doesn't purchase the product. The affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be calculated differently depending on the program. The affiliate may be compensated in a number of ways. Pay per sale. This is how affiliate marketing is often structured. In this program, after a customer purchases a product as a consequence of affiliate marketing tactics, the merchant pays the affiliate a portion of the product's sale price. In other words, before receiving payment, the affiliate must successfully convince the client to purchase the affiliate product. A lead-based fee. Pay-per-lead affiliate marketing programs have a more complicated mechanism that pays the affiliate based on the leads that are converted. Whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a product trial, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading software or files, the affiliate must convince the customer to go to the merchant's website and carry out the requested action. Pay-per-click. The main goal of affiliate marketing is to drive traffic to websites and entice users to click and take action. So it should come as no surprise that affiliate marketing myths revolve around SEO, search engine optimization. Although organic traffic is free, SEO can't support affiliate marketers in such a crowded industry. For this reason, some affiliate marketers turn to PPC. The main goal of PPC, pay-per-click, schemes is to motivate the affiliate to lead customers away from their marketing platform and toward the merchant's website. This means that the affiliate must actively engage the user so that they visit the merchant's website instead of the affiliate's. Based on the growth in web traffic, the affiliate is compensated. In PPC, there are two fundamental ideas. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link to visit a merchant's online store and completes an action, like joining an email list or filling out a Contact Us form, the seller or retailer is said to have acquired a lead, and the affiliate is paid each time. This model is known as CPA, cost per acquisition. EPC, earnings per click. The average earnings for every 100 clicks made by all affiliates in a retailer's affiliate program are calculated using this metric.